Hello darlings and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga, and if you are new here, please consider to subscribe. We are talking about fashion and style, and today's video is one of everybody's favorites. It's about comfort, classical outfits. When we are talking about style and fashion, we need to remember that styles that we wear should be comfortable. For me, it's very important to have a comfortable clothes, as when you feel comfortable, then you look more stylish. And also in summer, when it's warm, we need to remember about comfort even more. And the sponsor of today's video is the brand VIVAIA. I have two pairs of shoes for them and I will show them closer. If we're talking about comfort, then the first brand of shoes which comes to my mind is VIVAIA shoes. You probably already heard about it. If not, you can look my other video where I also talked about their shoes. There were more information about what they're made from and how they were made from, and now I have a news from VIVAIA. You know that VIVAIA is eco-friendly, and the shoes which I have in my hands are made from plastic bottles. And now I got a new model. It's a sandals for summer. It's a pointed toe slingback sandals, Edison. They are so beautifully made. They are soft here. The name of the color is almond, and here are these beautiful soles which are soft and comfortable. The insole has a perforations for improved airflow and a diamond padded cushioning. How does it sound? It has also extra thick heel pad which is so comfortable and easy to walk. Also, I actually never had shoes like that. They have instant moisture wicking, so it means that they are moisture resistible in the summer season. When our feet are getting sweaty, it's very good to have this option. So it's extremely important in the summer when we are getting sweaty, so the moisture actually will be sucked from the inside of the shoe. And they are made from this breathable fabric with arch support, and this strap which can be adapted for everybody. It's so comfortable and can fit to different people with a different feet. I already been trying those shoes and I must say that you can really run with them. And another pair I got in a black color. This model is named Melia. I decided to go for one pair without heels. I love heels, but I actually don't wear heels all the time. I prefer to have soft, comfortable and no heels shoes for everyday use. It's good with sneakers and with flip-flops and with some ballerinas, but sometimes we want to have something more elegant, like this pointed toe sandals Melia. It has a heel padding which makes no blisters to you. As you see, this padding is very soft, so you don't need to worry about your feet. You will not get any blisters, and it's very soft insole here also, so they are actually quite flat, but you don't have any pain when you walk all day long with them. It has a stretchy upper made from the recycled plastic bottles, like all the shoes from VIVAIA. I already collaborated with VIVAIA and I know their quality, and some of my followers also wrote me that they bought shoes from their site and all of them were satisfied with the quality and happy. So VIVAIA provides us with a promotion code for a discount, 12% discount, STB12. I will write it somewhere here, so just go on the site and check the styles. And now I will style several outfits with these two beautiful pairs of shoes for summer. We will start with my favorite. It's very comfortable outfit with jeans. In Scandinavian summer you can wear jeans, and if you are in some warmer climate, maybe you can change the jeans to something more thin or flowy. These outfits I wanted to show you for different climates, and also wanted to inspire you for basic and classy and comfortable outfits, not only for summer but maybe for all year round, depending where you live, or maybe for autumn and spring European climate. Outfit is basic. It's just the blue jeans which I wanted to pair with a white top, and I have a black blazer. It's an oversized blazer, but you can actually have another model. You can have a cropped one or you can have a longer one. I wanted to show you how beautiful it looks with black shoes and the black top like a blazer. These two black colors are on the top, on the bottom of your outfit. There is a rule which is named a sandwich color block, so it means that it's like in a sandwich. On the top, on the bottom it is the same color, and in the middle it's something different. Everything is so basic in this outfit, very comfortable. When you don't know what to wear, usually I grab the pair of jeans and a blazer and some top or just a white t-shirt or black t-shirt, and then you are ready to go. I also used a bag of another color from shoes just to have some other color in the outfit, some small color accent. Beautiful color of the tan of my tartan bag. I have a Levi's jeans in this outfit. All the links I will leave below. If I don't find something, I will link something similar. I love this white stitching on the bags in summer. Pay attention to the bags for summer which you use. If they are black or brown but with the white stitching, it will go for more outfits. For me it also looks more casual. So with this outfit I could go, as I said, wherever, to work or to meet friends or to the city or to the business brunch or lunch or dinner. I'm this person who prefers the neutral colors most in my wardrobe. Sometimes I like a color accent, but mostly for everyday use it will be the black shoes or the neutral color shoes like the almond color from another pair. So second outfit I will show you is the same shoes. It's another type of outfit. Here is more summer without blazer, and I have my new white skirt. I think the denim white skirt is an essential for summer. I don't know how did I live without it before, and I pair it with a very basic striped top from Uniqlo. Actually they are still available. It's a new season, so have a look. I also made a video from Uniqlo. I don't know if it will come after this video or before, otherwise I will leave the link. You can see it later. There I showed that this Uniqlo pieces like these tops are very comfortable. They have the padding like a bra, so you don't have a real bra in summer. Very convenient. I like this white and black silhouette, the stripes, and they suit together with the shoes, and a small thin belt in the black color also gives the same vibe. I like how this outfit looks, and the black sunglasses. So basically it's two colors outfit, black and white. So I added the raffia bag here with cognac details on it from Loewe. I think it's a good accent, and you can see that it is actually a summer outfit, almost like you can go there on the beach or just walk somewhere close to the water in the summer when it's a warm day in the city. So this outfit I can also use at work, but if you have a more strict dress code, maybe you need some blazer over it, so you can also play with it in this way. So we will see the next outfit. I style these beige heels, and this is a little bit more dressy outfit. I actually could use in this outfit also the black shoes, the flats, but I think that the heels gives more elevated look. It is more like a workwear when you want to look more professional or more office style. If you have some work or some meetings, then you can go for white pants. I have in white color. Mine are from Max Mara previous seasons. Here I also pair it with a top from Zara and the cotton shirt in the color of the shoes. As I told you before, this is sandwich rule. We pair the shirt with the color of the shoes, and I have here also the belt in the same neutral beige color. I think it looks very nice, neutral, not overwhelmed, not over made, but still very elegant and classic. Here I thought that two colors will be too little for me again, so I added the black bag, and I took a quite big one, which I often use for work. You can use this kind of bag to the office. Mine up from Max Mara, but the Millier has very similar. I will link it below. If I would not have my Max Mara bag, I will definitely buy the Millier, because these kind of totes, they are so comfortable. I use my bag very often. It has small handles and a longer belt, which I can have crossbody. This is one of my uniforms for summer, to have some linen and some shirt. I usually use a lot of shirts in summer. If you don't have any shirts, or if you have only white, I recommend you to buy several in different neutral colors, like black, beige, denim, maybe some striped, and blue. This is the most important, to have these shirts. I also have a bunch of pink and red and brown shirts, because I use them a lot. Maybe if you don't need so many, you can have a few just in the basic colors, and they will work very good in your everyday closet for summer. When you don't want to be too warm in a blazer, then it's a very good idea to have a short, then it's not so warm. Shorts also you can take with you to vacations, to the beach vacations and to the city vacations. When you don't want to have a sun over your shoulders, then it's perfect to have a short. And I like how the shoes look here with this little bit cropped pants. I love to show the summer shoes, so I never have, almost in summer, the trousers which are completely to the floor. I prefer just to show my shoes. It makes an outfit more light, more summerish. As I'm petite, and if you are also petite, it's one of the opportunities to lift us a little bit from the ground and look a little bit taller. So the next outfit is for more like maybe evening vibe, or like going out vibe. I use the same shoes, my beige heels. It's almost like cord set, but not exactly, because the skirt is from Lily Silk. It's a silk skirt, and this waistcoat is from the Rihos, and in this season it's extremely popular to have waistcoat without everything. I could also style some t-shirt under. I usually do it also, but here I wanted to have a real warm outfit for warm summer. I mean, some of the outfits are more summerish in this video. This is really chic woman outfit, popular formula this summer, also quite trendy, but for me it's also basic. I've had these clothes for a few years now, and I use them often, so it's nothing new. It's just you can have the same clothes every season, but you just style them slightly different. Then you have completely trendy and modern look. So I use my Chanel bag, which is exactly the same color of the shoes. I think the bag and shoes here look together very elegant, very nice. Sometimes I like to pair the shoes with bag. I don't think that it's old-fashioned or something. Black and beige is this classical color combination which can never go wrong. With this outfit I could imagine to go out in the evening, or to go to some traveling in the hot place like Paris, for example, or maybe meet friends in the city. The next outfit is white trousers, which are smaller than the previous ones. They are like carrot pants. They are from Max Mara also. Here I use also the same top from Uniqlo. The striped top goes very good together with a black shirt over. Here is again, if you are too warm for the black blazer, you go for a shirt for a work vibe. It's one of my favorite themes in the summer. Here I also thought that I want to add some accent with a bag, and I love this burgundy color in summer and winter. I decided that the bright red will be too bright now, so I wanted to take this burgundy. Is very classical, is more like chic color, and I love how it looks white, black and burgundy together. It's actually catching eye, and you can style it in this way so people will pay attention to this color. This is also very comfortable outfit. I love how it looks. I feel very comfortable. I can use it during a day. If I go out and want to eat lunch with my friends, for example, I can take off the shirt and just have my shoulders under the sun, or if it's too warm. But inside, where air conditions or at work, need to cover the shoulders. This black short is actually has shorter sleeve. It's from Berlook. I also collaborated with this brand before. We'll link a video, and I have a few shirts from them. It's 100% linen. So I'm this person who loves black and white outfits, and I have them year round, in winter and summer. And in summer it's special chic to have black and white outfit with the sun. The next outfit is this, actually on me now. It is also jeans. I wanted to style jeans also with heels. I already styled them in this video with flats, but I think with the heels it's a little bit more elevated. It's a little bit more like chic for me. So jeans with the heels, you can have them for the dinner. I think this is something about heels with the jeans. And here I pair the jeans with a blazer in a gray color, because I think that it's also interesting to have some different color which is not very obvious, is quite unexpected. So we take beige color and gray color, which some people a few years ago still thought that it's not very good combination, but I think it's just, why not? It's very interesting, it's very nice. As you see, I have a blazer in a gray color. Mine is from COS, from few years old. I have also the pants. Then I have a top from H&M from the last year or 2 years ago. So as you see, all the clothes are quite old. I have also the jeans from Levi's on me, and beige shoes in this outfit. It goes together with the top in beige. Again, the sandwich rule, but this time I have a top in the same color and the jeans in between. Also, I use my Loewe bag to make this outfit more summerish. We are still working in summers, but I don't know how you work, guys, but I can take my Loewe bag, like a straw bag, to my work. I think that mostly people can do it anyway. There are so many different options of straw bags now, but also it's possible to take a black bag to this outfit if you want to be a little bit more put together and more like work vibe. Of course, we use leather bags all over the season. So I gave you two options of this outfit with two different bags. Write me which one was your favorite. I hope this video inspired you to look in your wardrobe to find pieces that you have, maybe to purchase some pieces which you don't actually have, so you can have so many combinations. Write me which kind of comfortable and summer basic outfits you prefer. I love to read your comments. I see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye.